Hi, this is Amit Bhattacharya, and I am representing Living Guard Technology in the MedFair Asia as head of R&D in India. I'm based out in India, and in India, like we have our application center. So I am addressing the audience from here. Thank you for this, and I'm really thankful to the organizers who has given us an option to present our work over here. I'm really delighted to be here today with all of you. So before I jump into the topic, I would like to bring your attention to the fact that COVID-19 has transformed the attention of the world economy. Earlier, before COVID, it was all of oil-based economy, and now it has been changing to hygiene economy pretty faster. So the importance of hygiene is realized during this COVID-19 situation, and the industry has grown up to 120 billion US dollar in just couple of months to a year or so. So Living Guard Technology has created its own space in this segment, which I'm going to talk to you today. The topic for my presentation is Endless Possibility of Permanent Disinfection, a technology that enables ultimate protection. During my presentation, I'll be talking about what is Living Guard as a company, what is our mission goals are, what is the Living Guard technology that we brought in, and how does the Living Guard technology works. And also, like I will be talking about some of the appreciation that we received in the recent past from media channel partners and also from a couple of customers in the same. Yeah. So Living Guard technology benefit analysis I will present, and also the technology how it works. And would like finally like to bring into your attention on what volumes and what values has been delivered to the globe through the various applications by Living Guard technology. So this slide actually talks about the Living Guard as a company. So we are the hygiene technology company with a laser focus on reinventing hygiene in the 21st century by bringing our technology to where it is most needed. And we also hope that Living Guard technology, if we apply it to the solutions, that ultimate goal is to prevent health risk, and especially like in this COVID-19 situation and the crisis that has put people inside their home, inside the buildings, people are not able to come back to the work. So we enable them to return to their work with safe and sound. So that is the whole sole idea of this Living Guard technology as a mission. Now, these are a couple of things that when you talk about Living Guard, so we offer a couple of application to the area. So think of a textile that needs 6 times less washing, even without detergent. So that's something that Living Guard can do. Now you are actually boarding a flight. You won't have to be really bothered about like touching the surfaces for the presence of bacteria and viruses. That Living Guard can destroy all of those. You can think of certain tissue papers that you just wipe and you are getting away from the bacterial and viral load on the surfaces. So this Living Guard can actually offer you. You can think about like various applications like socks, shoes, workwear, hospital workwear, and also like in the toiletries, or also like deep cleansing, for example, personal care space, and like, for example, gloves and all. So wherever you can think of like the people touching various surfaces and there is a possibility of contamination of bacteria and viruses, their Living Guard technology can destroy continuously and effectively. So that is what the value Living Guard solutions is providing to various applications. Now, how does the Living Guard technology works? So first of all, like this is the only permanent disinfectant technology available till date globally. So when I say permanent, means permanent to the life of the surface. So the Living Guard technology integrates itself to the surface and life of the surface. The Living Guard technology stays there, continuously being efficacious against the viral and bacterial load, continuously disinfecting the surface. So that is how we define the permanent disinfectant technology that Living Guard gives. So what it does, it destroys the bacteria and viruses. That includes the most top viruses today, which is SARS-CoV-2. And also it is effective against tuberculosis, influenza, and methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. It disrupts the cell membranes without really poisoning the cell membrane. Means there is nothing which is leaching out of the surface when this Living Guard technology is applied. So basically, it is all about physical disruption. There is no, because this is physical disruption, so there is no possibility of resistance developing in this on the surfaces also. Now, this also provides you the metal-free and permanent kind of non-leaching surfaces, because this is not based on silver, this is not based on cadmium or any other heavy metal. So since this is not based on silver and other heavy metals or toxic metals, this doesn't leach out to the environment. That is why you get the protection, which is metal-free and also in the permanent in nature. And on the top of it, like we talk about sustainability, so this is a non-toxic and also skin safe. So it passes GLP standards. Now, how does it work against SARS-CoV-2? So it destroys more than 99.9% of SARS-CoV-2. And this has been proved by various institutions, that is like premier institution in the world. For example, University of Arizona, then RWTH Atkinson University, and also the Free University of Berlin. So they all certified Living Guard technology that it works pretty beautifully against SARS-CoV-2 and also destroyed more than 99% of the viruses. This, we are really thankful to Dr. Charles Geba, because under his supervision, all of these tests has been done. And he is like a kind of pioneer in this field and also kind of certified our technology into various forms. Now, how does the Living Guard technology works? So this is the schematics, how the technology works in front of you. So the bacterial and viral cell walls, they have proteins, and that makes the cell wall negatively charged. Those negatively charged are attracted by the positive charge that is being created by Living Guard technology on any surface. Now there is an interaction takes place between the negatively charged cell wall material and the positively charged Living Guard material on the surface, and then they interact to each other, they are attracted to each other, they're absorbed, and finally those because of this charge interaction taking place, the bacterial and viral cell envelope and the cell walls are being destroyed, and that is how the bacteria and virus are destroyed in a couple of minutes. So that is how the Living Guard technology works in a simple schematics. Now going forward into the more diagrammatic way, if you see here, so the fabric surface, which is like where the Living Guard technology is being applied. So when you have the bacteria and viruses on the surface, those positive charged surfaces are being attracted by the negatively charged Living Guard technology on the surfaces, and that is where the interaction takes place. And basically the cell wall positive charge is a kind of denatured, and that is where the cell wall starts collapsing, and the cell sepsis comes out, and this actually destroys the virus and the bacteria pretty fast and pretty efficiently. So these are the 5 steps in the deactivation of viruses and bacteria. So the first step is the textile fibers. The Living Guard treatment attaches the viruses and the bacteria, and finally, like the disruption of the cell wall because of the positive and negative interactions. So many organizations, like you are seeing on the screen now, so they have certified our technology on different applications. For example, we have been certified by NSF for our water filtration. We have given certifications. We have given approval from EPA. We have certified by Hohenstein's University. We have certified by Free University of Berlin, University of Arizona, and Nestle Labs for all different kind. Whether you called it efficacy against bacteria, you talked about efficacy against viruses, or you talk about like the safety aspects. So the product, the technology, and the surfaces has been certified by various bodies, as you see here. Now, ultimate protection by Living Guard technology has arrived to the world to protect against COVID-19. And here is some of the examples. So these are the various news, which is like coming onto the global news today. And they talk about revolutionary protection that is coming from the Living Guard technology. So Living Guard Street Pro and Ultra Mask. So now there are a lot of news which has come about the benefits that one consumer can find out when they use the Living Guard face mask. For example, there's news from CNN Money, CNBC, Telly, NTV, BR, and all. So they are talking about the Living Guard technology and the benefits that you can get from Living Guard treated face mask. For example, Street Pro and Ultra, which is already in the market, and you can also buy it from various online platforms. So this technology is tested and proven. And you see, if the example is the face mask, for example, this Pro face mask, this has got 3 layers of protection. The outer and inner layers are protected by Living Guard technology, means they not only captures the virus and bacteria, but also destroys. with the time. So it has got outer layer, which is again a physical barrier treated with Living Guard that destroys coronavirus, they destroyed bacteria, they destroyed various kind of fungi and also like various kind of bacteria that you can think about. It has got the inner layer that protects the comfortability. So means like inner layer, we made it hydrophilic so that like the user will not sweat. And the middle layer is continuously filtering out all the virus particle or any kind of particle that you can think about. So the filtration efficiency is always like supposed to be more than 95%. So which you guarantee protection for the consumers. This has been proven by the leading Swiss consumer and advice magazine called BioBasher. So this particular magazine, they have taken their opinion on this face mask and independently, and they talk good about it. So if you see here, so this BioBasher has actually did the research on almost 12, 13 various face masks, and ultimately they published this data and they talk very good about the Living Guard face mask. So this is, we are talking about the pro version of the Living Guard face mask. Now this is a concept like the Living Guard technology used for Living Guard face mask that destroys almost 1 million times more than the viral load of the sneeze. So with this way, the Living Guard face mask has replaced the equivalent of 3 billion single-use face masks globally. So here we talk about the sustainability. So one face mask you can actually use for almost 210 times, means you're actually help protecting the planet Earth by not really putting a lot of non-degradable material on the ocean that ends up in the ocean and creating pollution. So you are actually replacing almost 3 billion single-use face masks globally. Now, what are the different applications that is under commercialization today? So you talk about consumer hygiene. So we are actually giving laundry additives, cleaning wipes, sanitary pads treated with Living Guard, so as to make your home and house clean. And also for the feminine hygiene, like we have some excellent products. You talk about apparel, like we are into base layers of the sock, shoe lining, so which is giving you odor-free solutions in the socks and also in the shoe. We are also providing Living Guard technology in drinking water space. Like millions of people are right now drinking the clean water that is accessible for the rural area of India. So that is already available. This is serving the community. We are also working for air purification technology, where like we have done a couple of research and our products in the market now with a couple of channel partners today. So we guarantee the purification of air by destroying the COVID-19 viruses. In the healthcare and PPE space, like we are present pretty prominently. So our medical textile, gloves, respirator, and face mask are certain examples where we are actually protecting the people by giving Living Guard technology. We are also able to put our technology into plastics. So now, like your cell phone, your accessory, your keyboards will not have any viruses, any bacteria on the surfaces when you touch them. So you can like very freely you can touch those surfaces without really having the fear of COVID infection. And also like we are working for paper, because paper is something which you touch like almost every day, whether it is like packaging paper or like wrapping paper or board paper. So we have now our ways to put the Living Guard technology on paper. So we are doing it. You're talking about like tissue paper or packaging paper or wallpaper. So there's no worry touching those surfaces for COVID infection, because all of them are like, now we can treat it with Living Guard technology, and that is how we can make it virus protected. Then also for industrial segment, like we are talking about transportation, upholstery, automotive filtration, duck feather bedding, and all those things where like the Living Guard technology can be applied, and then you can guarantee the surface to be protected against COVID-19 viruses, right? So there are like, this is just few of the examples that I talked about, but there are numerous examples that we cannot really touch it here. But then Living Guard technology is flexible enough to get into those applications also. For example, wood. So the wood surfaces, the Living Guard technology can be applied. The wax surfaces, the Living Guard technology can be applied. The steel surfaces, like you can just think of, and the Living Guard technology is there. So this is how like the flexibility of the Living Guard technology makes it really usable to be put into various surfaces that you can think of. With this, I would like to say that the company is exploding, and we are actually trying to giving our support, our help to different part of the country and different part of the world For example, our application center is present in Mumbai. There we do all of the application. But our central R&D is present in Juv, where the technology comes from. We are also having our offices in Japan. We also have our offices in South Africa and in USA today. And with this, like, we can cater the world problem of various epidemic, today's epidemic, as well as the epidemic that may knock the door in future. So with this, like, we are prepared to gear ourselves as a company. So we can jolly well say that we are a global company to address the global issues today. With this, I would like to thank you for giving us a platform to discuss about Living Guard technology. Thank you very much. Any question, please let me know. We are here to answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the detailed presentation, Mr. Dr. Amit. So I shall open the ground for Q&A session. So if you have any questions, you can type in the chat below under Q&A and we will answer to you. Or you may also email directly to chinwei.quay@livingguard.com to find out more. So let's see if there's any questions.
Yeah, anyway, so I'm okay.
You can also email to Dr. Amit. Okay, I see one question. Dr. Amit, there's one question. How do you
Yeah, so
apply?
there's one question, and this is pretty interesting question. So how do you apply to HVAC filters? And frankly speaking, this took a lot of research for us to really apply Living Guard technology onto the filters. And now, like, we can, as a like company, we are expert in applying our technology to both woven as well as non-woven. So right now, like, we are applying our technology by slow speed exhaustion or padding, like what kind of filter we have, because in HVAC there are different kind of filter. So each filter has been treated in a different way, but we are able to apply our filters like with this cases, like by doing padding, exhaustion, or sometimes we do kiss roll. So depending on the filter, like what is the GSM, what kind of filter it is, we are able to apply our filter on to the HVAC. Now, is also there is a second question called it is sprayable. Yes, we have checked the applicability by doing spraying, and this also like sound to be pretty good here. We have the reports, we have results with us, where spraying of the technology also helped us, like putting our technology onto various surfaces, including the HVAC. Now, there is another question called is there by Mr. Chi Yong. We have air conditioner manufacturing in Malaysia. Yes, so we can work with you. And if you really want to have your HVAC pro-COVID, or you want to have like your HVAC filter media, which you want the treatment from Living Guard to make it like COVID-19 protected, we can definitely work with you. And our partners are sitting in Singapore to get you connected and get the work with you. So I have my colleague, Mr. Chin VQ, also in this call. So he'll be connecting with you in later, so as to answer your questions and how to like make it work together. Thank you so much.